Good afternoon to all my viewers. We have a new friends here. I found a foreigner friend from Hungary, and we are very honored to talk to them and ask a little bit question about our Iloilo City. So let's go. So good afternoon, and also you, ma'am. Good afternoon. Welcome to Iloilo City. So how long did you stay already in Iloilo?
About 3 weeks.
Oh. Yeah, this city is Iloilo.
We just arrived yesterday to Iloilo. We are in the Philippines about 3 weeks.
3
ago.
weeks. Oh.
Yes.
Okay. To be exact, what can you comment about our city? What can you say about Iloilo?
It's a wonderful city. We just read a lot about Iloilo. We just read here they are the most friendliest people all over in Philippines because you are the heart of the Philippines.
Yeah. How about you, ma'am? Do you like the food here?
Yes.
Oh, that's nice. So, is it your first time to visit Iloilo?
Yes,
Yeah, your first time.
It is. Yes, yes.
So here in the Philippines, what can you say about the people, or especially Ilonggo, Iloilo? What can you say about us?
Very friendly. Everybody is very friendly and nice.
Okay. How about the weather? Is it okay for you that now it's very hot here in Iloilo? Very hot.
I love the heart.
Oh.
I love the heart.
For me,
For you too.
I love the heart. Yeah, yeah. I just made in Brazil, so I don't mind.
Okay. So you're just familiar with the hot weather.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I love the heart.
So, what can you tell about your Hungarian friends? Can you invite them to visit also Philippines?
We really would invite them and just tell to them it's a wonderful place and we would invite them.
Oh, thank you. Did you find here very expensive, or is it okay? The food here, the things, everything, the hotels.
Boracay is expensive.
No, it's okay.
It's okay. It's just it's just fair.
It's fair. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, what message can you tell to all us Ilonggo?
Look, you should pride to your city because this is a wonderful city, and I think you should enjoy your events and your each other because you are very nice people.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you very
nice
much.
talking to you, ma'am. Also, thank you so much.
Thank you.
I get a new friend from Hungary, and they love Iloilo City so much. So that's it, guys, for today, and see you on my vlog. Thank you so much. Happy holiday.